Good morning, dear class members whom we study together here at English Talk. Turashuza abanyeshuri mwese twigana hano kuri English Talk. Welcome back to the class of today. Tubaha ikaze mu ishuri rya none. Today we are going to see the use of many and much. None tugiye kureba uko bakoresha many na much. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share and like on our channel. Wibuke gukora share, subscribe ndetse na like kuri iyi channel. Welcome. Karibu. We start with the meaning of the two words many and much. Turatangirira ku kureba igisobanuro cy'amagambo yombi many ndetse na much. Both many and much mean large quantity or amount of something. Ni ukuvuga ngo much na many bisobanura ingano y'ikintu runaka, ingano cyangwa se ibintu ni byinshi, ibintu birahagije nk'ubwo buryo. Mbega muri make bisobanura dukoresha much na many twerekana ingano y'ikintu cyangwa se ingano y'ibintu. Ingero, examples: many, a large number of things you can count. Ni ukuvuga ngo many yerekana umubare munini w'ibintu tubasha kubara. Urugero, ibitabo byinshi, many books. Much shows a large number of something we cannot count, or a large amount of something we cannot count. Ni ukuvuga ngo ingano nyinshi y'ibintu ariko tutabasha kubara. Urugero, umunyu, we say much salt. Water, much water, to mean amazi menshi, much water. Umunyu mwinshi, much salt. Examples, ingero, there are many students in the classroom. There are many students in the classroom. Hari abanyeshuri benshi, many, benshi mu ishuri. We don't have much water. Ntabwo dufite amazi menshi. Similarities, that's number 2. Kuri kabiri turebe noneho bihurira kuki. Both many and much express quantity. Ni ukuvuga ngo byombi byerekana ingano. Quantity ni ingano y'ikintu runaka. Ingano. Yari ibintu bibarika cyangwa se bitabarika, ariko urumva byose bigira ingano. Much or many byerekana quantity, ingano y'ibintu runaka. Examples: how many books do you have? Ufite ibitabo bingahe? Many. Ufite ibitabo bingahe? Ufite ibitabo bingahe? How much money do you need? Ukeneye amafaranga angahe? Much money. Urumva ibintu bitabarika, money, amafaranga ntabwo abarika. Much money. There aren't many people here. Ntabwo hano hari abantu benshi, many people. Abantu barabarika, many people. There isn't much milk left. Ntabwo hasigaye amata menshi. Much milk. Urumva amata ni ibintu bitabarika, birasukika. Much milk. Itandukaniro rero, difference between many and much. Aho itandukaniro hagati ya many na much. We use many is used with countable nouns. Ni ukuvuga ngo nyine many ikoreshwa ku magambo ku bintu bibarika, ibintu ubasha kubara, ukavuga ngo 1 2 3, cyangwa ukavuga ngo 1 2 3. Ikaramu imwe, ikaramu ebyiri, ikaramu eshatu. There we use many. 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens. Ni ukuvuga ngo aha dukoresha many. Noneho much. So for much we use much for uncountable nouns or uncountable things, ku bintu tutabasha kubara. Water, oil, amazi, amavuta, umunyu, salt, sukari, sugar and so on n'ibindi. Noneho the other difference is that many refers to number. Ni ukuvuga ngo irindi tandukaniro rihari nuko many yo yerekana umubare w'ibintu runaka. Urumva niyo ibasha kubarika, ubwo n'umubare wabyo urahari nyine. While much refers to amount or something. Mu gihe much yo ijya ku ngano y'ibintu, ingano y'ibintu. Wenda tukavuga ngo, so you can never say 3 liters of oil. Tugize countable. No. When you talk of much oil, amavuta menshi, yeah. Mbonye urugero rwiza. I got a good example. amavuta menshi, much water, amazi menshi. Urumva aho byibanda ku ngano aho kubyita umubare kuko ntabwo bibarika nyine. No, the other example, the other difference is that many, it is used with the plural nouns. Ni ukuvuga ngo amagambo ari mu bwinshi niyo dukoreshaho many. Books, many books. Pens, many pens. Ukuvuga ngo ibitabo byinshi, amakaramu menshi. Much is used with the singular uncountable nouns. Igakoreshwa n'amagambo nyine y'ibintu bitabarikana bivuze haruguru. Examples, urugero rwa mbere duhereye kuri many books, ibitabo byinshi. Many cars, imodoka nyinshi. Many teachers, abarimu benshi. Many children, abana benshi. Examples about much water, amazi menshi. Much sugar, sukari nyinshi. Much money, amafaranga menshi. Much information, amakuru menshi. Noneho kuri kane for the use of many, uburyo bakoresha many. Use many before plural countable nouns. Ukoresha many ku magambo y'ibintu bibarika ari mu bwinshi. Affirmative sentences, mu nteruro zemeza zidahakana. Many students passed exam. Many students passed exam. Abanyeshuri benshi batsinze ikizami. The other example, urundi rugero, many people attended the meeting. Many people attended the meeting. Many people attended the meeting. Kwa ngo abantu benshi bitabiriye inama. No, as we have examples of negative sentences, dukoresheje ingero zo mu nteruro zihakana. I don't have many friends. Ntabwo mfite inshuti nyinshi. There aren't many buses today. Ntabwo none hari imodoka nyinshi, ubwo ni nko muri gare. You can go to the bus park and you say there aren't many buses today. Ufite kujya muri gare aho imodoka bategera imodoka, uvuga ati none ntabwo hari imodoka nyinshi. Then in questions, mu bibazo cyangwa se mu nteruro zibaza, you can use many in this way. Wakoresha many muri buno buryo. How many brothers do you have? Ufite abavandimwe bangahe? Cyangwa se ufite basaza bawe bangahe? How many pens are on a table? Ni ikaramu zingahe ziri ku meza? Ziri ku meza. Gatanu, the use of much. Remember, we are now dealing with the use of much and many. Mwibuka ko turi kureba uburyo dukoresha much and many. Tumaze kureba ko dukoresha much, I mean ko dukoresha many. Then now tackling the way to use much. None tugiye kureba uko bakoresha much. Use of much is that it's used before uncountable nouns. Dukoresha much ku mazina nye cyangwa se ku bintu bitabarika twayibonye haruguru. As you have seen previously, we use much for uncountable nouns. Turebe mu nteruro zemeza zidahakana. As we start with examples from affirmative sentences, usually for formal English, of course. Much work remains. Hasigaye akazi kenshi. Much information is available. Hari amakuru menshi. Much water destroy the house. Amazi menshi yasenye inzu. In negative sentences, mu nteruro zihakana, there isn't much food. Nta biryo byinshi bihari. I don't have much time. Ntabwo mfite igihe gihagije. Ni questions. The way to use much in questions, uko dukoresha much mu nteruro zibaza. How much water do you drink? Unywa amazi angana iki? How much money do you need? Ukeneye amafaranga angana iki? Mwibuke, I remember, kuri many twabazaga ngo ukeneye ikaramu zingahe? How many pens do you need? But here for much, we say how much water do you need? Ukeneye amazi angana iki? Angana iki? Ingano, quantity. Mugiye kuri many tuvuga ngo bingahe, ikaramu zingahe. You got a point. That's why we say for many it is about numbers. For much is about quantity. Kuri many bijyana n'imibare, kuri much bikajyana n'ingano y'ibintu. Alright, 6. Kuri gatandatu, what is number 6? Niki tubona kuri gatandatu about much and many? Kujyanye na much and many. Countable and uncountable nouns. Uko bikoreshwa kuri countable no ku mazina y'ibintu bibarika n'ibintu bitabarika. Start with the countable nouns. For countable nouns we use many. Ku mazina y'ibintu bibarika dukoresha many. Dukoresha nyine iriya jambo many. We can have examples of such nouns which need many when they are plural. eh, dufate ingero z'amazina akenera gukoresha many mu gihe afite plural cyangwa se mu gihe ari mu bwinshi. Books, we say many books. Apples, many apples. Chairs, many chairs. Students, many students. Teachers, many teachers. Houses, many houses. Pens, many pens. Cars, many cars. Uncountable nouns, for uncountable nouns, as I said before, we use much. Ku mazina y'ibintu bitabarika, kuko twabivuze mbere dukoresha much. Alright, examples: water, much water. Milk, much milk. Sugar, much sugar. Rice, much rice. Money, much money. Time, much time. Information, much information. Salt, much salt. Umunyu mwinshi, amazi menshi, isukari nyinshi, umuceri mwinshi, amafaranga menshi, igihe gihagije, amakuru menshi. Much salt, umunyu mwinshi. Alright, common mistakes. Ari amakosa abantu bakora anyuranye mu buryo bwo gukoresha cyangwa se barimo barakoresha much na many muri communication yabo mu itumanaho rya buri munsi. There are mistakes that people commit unknowingly as they use much and many in their daily communication. Nibyo tugiye kureba hano rero. Some examples, ingero zimwe hano zirahari. Much books, that's not correct. You better say many books. Ntabwo tuvuga ngo much books, tuvuga many books. Many water, not correct. Much water, correct. How much students, not correct. How many students, correct. Tips to remember, ibyo wakwitaho by'ingenzi mu gukoresha many and much. Tips to remember when you use much and many. Ask yourself, ibaze mbere yo gukoresha, first ask yourself before you use them, any of them. First thing in your mind, can I count it? Banza yibaze, nabasha ibi bintu kubibara. If you can count it, say many. If you cannot count it, say much. Alright? Examples. Examples: 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. It means to use many. Water, can't count. You cannot count, so it means to use much. Chairs, countable. You can count, so use many. Koresha many. Sugar, uncountable, you cannot count, which means you use much. Short exercises where you are going to choose between much and many to complete the gaps from sentence 1 to sentence 10. Alright, this is the end of today's presentation, today's lesson. Niyo iherezo ry'isomo ryacu. Murakora ino myitozo usuzuma niba amaze kubyumva. Ugerageze ukoreshe much or many. You try to complete with much or many muri sentence kuva ku ya mbere kugeza ku ya 10. Hasta la vista. Thank you very much. We've been together with teacher Elise here at English Talk. Thank you.